This is nuts. They're coming in as a team unit as well. You have to play a bit more gently, I think. Love some extra sweat. Fucking, I can't even react to that fucking aim assist. One spy's done.
Throwing flash grenade.
What does sonar do? Does it ping people on your mini-map?
Yeah, it's like a little UAV.
One behind you, back left.
The enemy is moving a prisoner. Get him back.
He's up on the lift, mate. He's in that lift above you. Go on the lift
Roger.
staircase. Must be up there. Yeah, he's above you. One's right. He's coming behind you, I think. Sounded like he was.
What?
Yep.
What?
Dead ahead, one.
Where was it? Oh, there's two of them.
He's at the bottom of the corridor.
Yeah, there's two of them. One resin and
Yeah. They're moving in doubles.
yeah.
I think that powerful that he's using there, that single shot. Like, he's that come himself.
Yeah, that's a good shotty man, apparently.
Is it? Might get that one. Huh.
Wow.
Return to base.
I think given how they were playing, we're going to fucking win that.
Oh, what am I?
Just turn up for the COD professional channel. They got to turn up to the wrong fucking place.
It's intense, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's a aim assist central. And then you have to use it. Dom was unbeatable with that MP5. I don't know if you got the shot on him or not.
I just don't have the patience to play this game how you're supposed to play this game.
This one. You like Siege? Why can you not be patient?
You're supposed to play this game like you're a pussy and you're scared of everything.
You play Siege for years. That's exactly the same, isn't it? Get pitch up.
I hate it. That's why I don't play it anymore.
I'm definitely aggressive as well. I saw Insurgency the other day. It was either a mod or something you could blow people's heads off. Have you seen that?
Ugh, no, I haven't.
It was fucking brilliant. That's a way to de-stress after work.
I know there's like a zombies mod for Insurgency, I think.
Is there? Mm.
Yeah.
Could be mint.
But wasn't that fucking head exploding shit with a fucking 50 cal though, bot?
Might have been, yeah.
Oh, that's just realism then.
Pretty
Yeah,
much.
Maybe. Can't remember. Like, Insurgency's good. It's not like the way it limits the map. It fucking annoys me because you can't flank, so it channels you down ways you don't want to go. Where you're just going to get fucking shot in the head. And you got level 3 expedite. Is it level 7 on the expedite?
Level, 7, I think.
Prisoner rescue.
Fuck out with a shotgun.
They're fucking already there.
Yeah, I was there. I got fucked as well, mate.
This is a joke.
Tried to shotgun him, but I missed.
This
I hit
game
him,
mode
actually.
sucks.
I prefer this one. You don't like this one? Which mode do you like?
I just play respawn. I play kill confirmed and hardpoint.
Kill confirmed.
Alright, gets done in DCX again, boys.
Oh,
Just to let
fuck
you know.
off.
Yeah. This guy with no recoil.
Both of them have got no recoil. Both using the same shit. They're two friends.
Fucking hell.
All saber. Enemy force approaching.
Could try kill confirmed. I don't think I played that. Yeah, he's still there already. Straight away. Is that Dom?
Yep.
Instantly one-shots me. Yeah, Dom.
Yep.
Mate, it's not even fucking aiming. Literally Cronus in that, 100%. Can't even fucking shoot him. He's unkillable.
Loading.
The enemy's taking a prisoner. Get to the extract point.
Camping fucking bodies. Oh, he's listening for much. Oh, here he is, yeah. Here's me crawling. But you can't hear people when they might be fucking crouched. Because that guy just heard me. Just camping up in front of a dead body.
Didn't I pick you up?
Yeah, I just went to get someone else and got murdered straight away. Right, guys coming.
Oh, okay.
Guys camping around earlier, watch out. So I got fucked.
We took a victory there.
Yeah, boy.
You know, someone killed Don. Jesus.
Yeah, it's me.
Nice. I'll play, mate. You eventually got the headshot, but yeah, nice one.
It looks better when it wasn't in slow motion, I'd say.
Good job you had a bit of time there against Don, because fuck me, I haven't.
Sable 1. Locate the prisoners and move them to extraction. Friendly UAV on station.
Don's down. Suck my dick, bitch!
Oh, you killed Don, man. Fucking
Fuck
hell.
off. Fucking lick my fucking nuts. Of course, someone just comes fucking behind me on the stairs. Fuck me. Goddamn.
Prisoner secure. Extraction is standing by.
Got a shield there, ninja.
I don't know.
Fuck was he?
Oh, it's,
I'm never
Prisoner.
picking up a hostage again.
yeah, hostage. I thought it was a fucking shield. There's a hostage, it's not. Oh, Don's been picked up, that's why. I might camp their dead bodies in a minute. Seems to be the fucking play. Got a ninja at the top, nice.
All movers on target are clear to engage.
Flash.
Do you see X is down? I'll get killed by someone else again. I got a
They're
total
in the
aim.
building underneath me.
We've got only 4 versus 6, by the way, to continue to push it out already.
Not surprised, mate. Again.
Yeah, it can't be arsed for it.
Fuck's sake.
Ready up for the next one.
I don't understand why I don't hear him. He's not using dead silence, so I should be able to hear him because he's
Yep.
crouched walking with a shotgun.
Yeah, yeah. That's why they can hear me. If I was doing that, I get picked off when they hear me like that.
I had dead silence, so I should be able to hear him louder, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can't hear your footprints. Yeah, agreed.
Base plate to Sable 1.
But it amplifies their footprints as well.
Throwing flash grenade. Approaching your six.
I've got 3 dead over here.
What them?
Yeah, there's one on my body. He's in that room, ninja.
Those are fucking friendly. Fuck! Fucking shot me as it came past.
Let's go.
I don't like the way it marks your red. I can't wait for hardcore on this, because the way that fucking red dot is, I'm like expecting to see it and get it and it'll fucking kill, because I think it's fucking friendly. I'm like, fuck!
Sable 1. You have
This is
enemy
much easier when you use a real gun.
secure.
Flash out. Throwing Semtex.
How is he not fucking dead? Grenaded him, he still survives. Fuck off! And I put some bullets in the cunt. Oh my god, these guys are such sweats. I've just played about 4 million hours. Nice.
Swapping mags. Loading.
Cheers, man.
Yeah, no worries.
Enemies nearby.
There's one in that right one. That right one.
Yeah. He's gone. Nice.
Yeah, boy.
Quick fix activated.
Oh, he's on my body. He's by the gallows.
Okay.
Yeah, he's down there, Ninja. Oh, Bob. Yeah, safe, dude.
Loading. Got your back.
Our
Requesting
UAV
recon
is orbiting
flyover.
the area. Friendly UAV online.
Still 3-1.
Throwing a stun grenade.
Oh my god, he came upstairs.
Fucking hell.
Kills us both on the stairs. Fucking hell. What's this?
Friendly
Fuck me.
Wow.
Nice. Nice play, to be fair. Nice try. I like it.
Wait, what?
I don't think he knows how to play, that's for sure. Nice.
Nice.
How does that not kill him? Because isn't it 1 versus 1? Did he pick someone up?
seconds remain.
There's another one, I think.
There's one above.
Is that where he is? He's in the floor like crouched, isn't he? Fucking hell.
Good try.
Let's not repeat it.
Dead in the blink of an eye, man.
How do you not hear him there? Because he's sprinting around. That makes no sense. Because you didn't know he was there.
He was above.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
he res that body, ran around, sprinted all the way around upstairs, and came back.
No audio.
Yeah, with no audio.
Yeah. And the animation on my side was terrible.
Locate the prisoners and move them to
Like, I saw him, like, he appeared on my screen and then he disappeared.
Yeah.
Hostile overwatch helo in the area.
Semtex out.
Yeah, you got fucked them big time by that. Fucking no way. I'm already shooting the cunt. I didn't Tazy. Still survives. Beautiful.
Yeah, boy.
The audio's
Yeah,
fucked in this big time. Don't fucking rely on that.
How's he not fucking dead?
I saw that.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
There's 3 of us there.
Yeah.
2 of us there, and he fucking mows us both down.
We wait for this cunt to move on. Nice thing.